In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut templates no internet connection problem. This video is going to be super helpful, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to fix CapCut templates and the no internet connection problem, the very first thing that you need to do is just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. And also this problem can be happen for the content reason restriction. First thing that you need to do is just swipe down for the very top right here and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off. And this will actually slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your network connection error or not. If you still have the problem, then the very next and the main thing that you need to do is just to open up the Play Store from your device and then simply go and search for VPN here. And once you have searched for a VPN, you'll get to see a few different VPNs, so you can install any of the VPN, but make sure the VPN is work fine and the speed is far enough. So you'll get to see I have installed this VPN already on my device, and I'm going to open this up. And once you're here inside this one, go ahead and tap on select here. So you can select any country where the CapCut is actually available. So let's say I'm going to select the US, for example, and I'm going to connect the VPN first. And once the VPN gets connected, you just need to get back from here and you just need to force close the CapCut application from the background. So I'm going to go ahead and force close the CapCut application from the background. Now just get back from here and press and hold the CapCut and tap on App Info. And from here, just need to scroll down a little bit and here we get the option called connection method. You just need to tap on this one and make sure you have enabled the Wi-Fi, mobile data and mobile data too. You just need to select all this from here and tap on OK. And lastly, go and tap on battery saver and you just need to select no restrictions. Now once you do that, just get back from here and tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on clear cache. Now once you're done, just get back from here and then simply go and open up the CapCut from your device. And then go to the templates and most likely you will be able to get all the templates without getting the no internet connection error. But if you still have the problem, you just need to keep trying with the try again button here. So if you're getting the no internet connection error, go ahead and keep pressing the try again. So this will actually refresh the page and you will be able to get all the templates on the CapCut here. And this is how you can fix the templates and the no internet connection error on the CapCut mobile. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.